Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Soumya, studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I am here to discuss about the topic from the subject Software Engineering and Project Management. Today's topic, let's discuss about the key advantages and disadvantages of planning and modeling. Let's see Introduction to Planning and Modeling. Planning and modeling are essential tools used in various industries to predict outcomes and make informed decisions. They help organizations allocate resources effectively and optimize process for better results. By utilizing these tools, business can minimize risk and maximize opportunities. Advantages of planning. Planning helps in setting clear goals and objectives for the organization, facilitates better decision making by providing a roadmap for actions. It enables organizations to anticipate and prepare for potential challenges. Here we can see the strategic planning cycle. Where do we want to go? It decides outcomes. How do we get there? Strategies. How do we measure success, measure and targets? How do we do results? How can we improve our goals? This is the cyclic process of planning. Advantages of modeling. Modeling allows for the simulation of different scenarios to understand potential outcomes. It provides a visual representation of complex data and relationships. It helps in identifying trends and patterns for informed decision making. Here in the table format, we can see some of the advantages and disadvantages of modeling and simulation. Planning process model. Planning process model includes some of steps that a company takes in order to develop budgets to guide its future activities. Some of the steps in planning process are to develop objectives, develop tasks to meet objectives, determine need resources, create a timeline, determine tracking and assessment, finalize the plan, distribute the plan. These are some of the steps which are followed in planning process. Here we can see the example of planning. Marketing strategy map. By taking marketing strategy map, here the plan is done by financial, customer, internal process, learning and growth. Example of modeling. An example of modeling is a financial forecast created by a business to predict future revenues and expenses. The model takes into account various factors such as sales growth, cost projections, and market trends. By analyzing the model, the business can make strategic decisions to improve financial performance. Here we can take example of financial modeling. Financial modeling is the process conducted to create a financial representation of the entity. It is through this financial model that the financial analyst tries to forecast future earnings and performance of the company. Some of the objectives of financial modeling are valuing a business, raising capital, growing the business, marketing acquisitions, selling or divesting assets and business units, capital allocation, and budgeting forecasting. These are some of the objectives of financial modeling. Disadvantages of planning. Planning can be time consuming and resource intensive. Plans may become rigid and limit adaptability to changing circumstances. Unrealistic or inaccurate assumptions in the planning process can lead to ineffective outcomes. And here we can see some of the advantages and disadvantages of planning. Modeling process. Modeling process is the graphical representation of business process or workflows. It is a vital component of process automation, as a process model needs to be created first to define tasks and optimize the workflow before it is automated. Some of the benefits from process modeling includes improve efficiency, gain transparency, ensure best practice, create understanding, business orchestration. These are some of the benefits of modeling process. And the disadvantages of modeling process are models may oversimplify complex situations and overlook critical factors. The accuracy of models depends on the quality of data inputs and assumptions made. The over-reliance on models can lead to a false sense of security and neglect of qualitative factors. Importance of integration. Integrating planning and modeling process can enhance decision making. By combining qualitative planning with quantitative modeling, organizations can gain a comprehensive understanding of the situation. The synergy between planning and modeling can lead to more effective strategies and better outcomes. Here are some of the system integrations. Solution based approach, best of breed process, on-time high-quality deliverables, maximum return on investment. These are some of the system integrations. Best practices in planning and modeling. It involves key stakeholders in the planning and modeling process to ensure buy-in and alignment. Regularly review and update plans and models to reflect changing conditions and new information. It uses a combination of tools and techniques to enhance the accuracy and reliability of planning and modeling outputs. Here some of the planning process are being aware of opportunity, establishing objective or goals, developing planning premises, determining alternatives, evaluating alternatives, selecting the best alternatives, formulation of supporting plan, establishing sequences of activities. These are the 8 planning process of modeling. Conclusion. Planning and modeling are powerful tools that organizations can use to drive success and achieve their goals. Planning is one of the most essential parts of any work done, and it is of no use until it is implemented. While they have advantages in improving decision making and performance, they also come with limitations that need to be addressed. By understanding the benefits and challenges of planning and modeling, business can leverage these tools effectively for sustainable growth. By this, I'll end my session. Thank you for watching my video.